Time check, it's 2:08 in the morning. So today is the race day. Sakto, August 31. We will end this month with our new 10K personal best. Let's go. Let's go, podium! 1K! 9 na lang!
Grabe kayo.
3K guys! Nauli na tayo guys! 7K! Pang 9 yung standing natin sa 10K. Push pa tayo! Let's go! Podium! Podium! Pasok tayo sa top 10 guys. 10K category. Last 400 meters. Woo! Ah!
Congratulations! Very good. Congrats, congrats.
Thank you po. Thank you. Ah! 10 kilometers is done. Sayang, hindi natin na-hit yung personal best natin. Pero pangalawa naman to. May bonus pa tayo guys. Meron tayong 5K PR. It is a small win. I fail to hit my personal best this time, but I assure you, I will not fail all the time. Isa lang to sa dahilan para mag-push pa tayo sa mga trainings natin. See you. Have a good day and good morning everyone. Congrats runners.
They don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. Keep trying.